Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new property that we have for rent right now. This is 7 Buffum Street, Unit 2 in Worcester, Mass. And this is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-story apartment starting on the 2nd floor and going up to the 3rd. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you first come in here. So immediately to your left, once you come in through the common area and then through the front door, this is the first bedroom on the left. As you can see, there's lots and lots of light coming in here. You got 3 big windows, so it's kind of almost like a sunroom, but obviously if you have some curtains, you can get the lights dim in here. But it is also pretty warm in here, so it feels as though like the insulation is good and everything. And we'll get a chance to look at some of these heating units. This is the main living room. It's got probably the most space out of a lot of these rooms, so it goes into the other part of it. So this is more like a den. And then that is one of the parts that goes upstairs, which I'll be able to show you in a little bit. But you've got the heating unit here to the left, lots of outlets. And, you know, all this stuff seems to be in pretty good condition. This is the kitchen. So enormous counter space. It's kind of like any kind of cooking project that you could think that you might be able to take on. It's going to be no problem in here. You have the 4-burner electric stove and the parlor heater right here, fridge over there, and I'll give you a chance to get a good look at what it looks like from here. So it's a very big apartment. I usually don't see apartments this big in buildings like this. Here is the bathroom. So this is the full bathroom on the first level. So you got the shower and another shower up there. Some built-in storage. Everything very clean in here too. The owner really did a good job of getting it ready for us. Here's one of the best parts about the apartment. There is a balcony. Here it is. So this is the balcony. Nice and large, stable. Gets good sunlight. We're about noontime right now, and the sun's just gonna kind of go over there. So should look pretty nice in the afternoon. We'll come back in here through the den. So this is a built-in closet as well. You got the ceiling fan over here, which is really nice. Get a closet right there. And there's 2 ways to get up. So, and it kind of depends on what you're going for like what you need. The laundry is over there, for instance, but this is another living room on the attic level. So, and it looks really cool with the way that, you know, the light's still able to come in here. It's not dark up here at all either. But yeah, this is a living room, and the 2 other bedrooms are over here. So this is bedroom number 2, closet. Extends all the way into both these walls, so huge amount of storage space. Really throughout the apartment, you're gonna be able to find a lot of places to, you know, store stuff. Another closet here. And the carpeting goes into it, which is really nice. Hidden entry into the other closet. And over here is bedroom number 3. So nice, thick, soft carpeting in here. Feels really nice, good and warm. Then you got the closet with the outlet in it, which is really nice. Other outlets in here, kind of all over. Makes for really good in case you need to, you know, light something. And this is it. This is where you come up the other side of the stairwell. So here's the hookups for the washer and dryer and the other full bedroom. I'm sorry, the other full bathroom. So there it is, shower and tub over here, along with the sink and the medicine cabinet. And then this has just been locked off. It's really just a part of like the, it's kind of just like an insulated roof area. And yeah, that was Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester, showing you 7 Buffum Street in Worcester, Unit 2 on the 2nd floor. Thank you.